Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm back with another reveal video, and today I'm sharing Into the Woods animal tiles. Now, animal tiles may sound familiar because there was another animal tiles set recently released, and this one coordinates very well with the Across the Pond animal tiles stamp set. This particular stamp set comes with 8 super cute little images. I love the mushrooms and the little stump. The words read, obviously, Into the Woods, and each of those words is separate, including the little dot, dot, dot. These images are really very versatile. They can be used together, they can be used alone, and each of the little images measures approximately 1 1/4 inch by 1 1/4 inch. I do have a couple of samples to share with you. For my first sample, I used the super cute little beaver all by himself with some of the Slimline Enchanted Forest background paper. For my second sample, I used this sweet little skunk with the Dainty Daisies background stamp and the sweet word and shadow die, as well as the mini alpha stamp set. And for the final card, I used the sweet little bear who I think is supposed to be a brown bear, but I colored him up as a polar bear so that I could create a Christmas card using the Galaxy Galore background stamp and the Elegant Snowflakes die set. And that wraps up this reveal video. Thank you so much for joining me. For more information, I'll have that linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog, and we'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.